Hello, welcome back. It's your woman Angela K.O.D. Today we are making Atadwe milk or tiger nut pudding. Come with me and let's make this delicious, authentic Ghanaian dessert. But if you're new to this channel, please subscribe and be part of this great family. Thank you. Come with me and let's make this delicious, healthy pudding together. Come. So guys, for our ingredients for making our authentic Atadwe milk, we'll be needing our atadwe or tiger nut, that is the main ingredient, sugar, rice, evaporated milk, vanilla extract, and a pinch of salt to taste, and some water for the blending. So these are the ingredients we'll be needing to make our authentic Ghanaian pudding. Guys, we start with the blending of the ingredients. We'll go in with our tiger nuts. I soak my tiger nut overnight because it's very important so that the tiger nut can absorb more water in it. So we'll go in with our tiger nuts. Go in with my rice. My rice was also soaked, but not overnight, because soak it for 2 hours or maybe 3 hours. And I'll go in with my water. Guys, for the blending, it depends on the type of blender you are using. But with my type of blender, I need to put it on pause before I'll start to blend. Has been crushed, perfect, so I'll go ahead and then it's done. We are done with the blending. It looks so good. It looks very, very creamy and very good. Check it out. Look at how creamy it looks. We'll go ahead and strain our tiger nuts and milk. But guys, we are using cheesecloth for it. It's very important so that you can get rid of all the chaff in the milk. You can see how creamy it looks. You have to squeeze it to get rid of all the milk from the shaft because it's very important. Nothing is waste in this kitchen, guys. So guys, with Atadwe milk, we need caramel. So we'll go ahead and prepare our caramel before we start preparing our pudding. I'll go in and add the sugar to my pan. On the medium heat, you can see our sugar is melting, our caramel is doing perfect. Very, very perfect, guys. It's very, very perfect. Guys, our sugar has melted. It's brown, but we need it to be more brown so that we can achieve that golden color that we want with our Atadwe milk. So this is how we are going for. Now it looks okay. It's a perfect consistency. The color is really good. So I'll go ahead and put on the fire, and then that is it. Good to go. So guys, now that we have achieved the color, we'll go in with a little bit of water. See? It's perfect. Look. So when you add it to your Atadwe milk, you get that perfect golden color that you are going for. Guys, we are done with the base of our pudding. We'll go ahead and put our saucepan on the stove, and then we'll go in with our milk. You can see that there is no chaff. It's because I use cheesecloth to strain it. We are done with our caramel, so now we'll go ahead and prepare our pudding. I'm going to add a pinch of salt. Salt is always to your taste, so this amount of salt is okay to balance the sweetness. And we'll go in with our vanilla extract for more flavor. Just a drop of vanilla extract is okay. So the lid of your vanilla is perfect for it. And it's very important for you to cook this on a medium heat. So I'll go in, I don't want any lumpiness, so I'll go ahead and use my crisp. It's very important, you don't need to leave it, you have to stir it so it becomes thick. You can make this tiger nut pudding in the comfort of your home without buying it, and you can serve it even for children because it's very, very healthy and nutritious. So guys, you can see the consistency is changing, it's gradually thickening. So this part is very important. You really have to stir it continuously to avoid any lumpiness. You see how creamy it looks. The flavors here, the combination of the tiger nut and the vanilla extract, guys, the flavors here are awesome. So guys, you can see it's now thick, it has thickened. So you have to cook it for a little bit, and then we are good to go. Our Atadwe milk is ready in a little time. Guys, our pudding is ready, so I'll go in with my caramel and then continuously stirring it to achieve that golden color that you want. Look at this, it looks so good. This is the perfect color that we are going for. So I'm not going to add any caramel. This is perfect. You go ahead and stir it and make sure that it has been mixed well. Look, this is the perfect consistency. So guys, now it's done. But if you want more sugar, you can go ahead and add more sugar. But I am not going to add more sugar to it. When I'm eating it, then I'll add more sugar to my taste, because everybody is going to eat it. So I don't want to add sugar to this. So we are going to leave it for it to cool down a little bit and then settle. We'll come back there to be more creamy, and then we'll serve. See you later. Time to serve our Atadwe milk or our tiger nut pudding. This is how I'm going to serve one. With evaporated milk, it goes really well with it. So let's go ahead and serve. Look at this. It looks so good and delicious. Thank you so much for coming with me to make this delicious, healthy Atadwe milk. But if you're new to this channel, please subscribe and be part of this great family. And for my subscribers, Team Angela KOD and everyone watching my videos, thank you so much for your love and support. I will see you in my next video. Bye.